and we're here today again for another recap of my day trading. Today again, I just trade on my Apex account, micro mini S&P 500 on futures market. Today was actually a very good day. I actually trade two markets today. I've done a little bit of gold, and also the mini S&P 500. I'll start with the gold because the gold was the first one that I trade today. It was today basically a scalping day because I made a scalp on both markets. So starting with the gold. So last night, I was this morning I was analyzing the market, and I noticed that last night the market closed above the 2656. So I assumed, according with my analysis, because there was a failure to rotate before the market closed, and there was a second failure to rotate once the market opened above the 2656. So my bias for the day was to buy only. But what happened? I didn't get on the trade earlier today. As you can see, I was expecting the market to move around a certain level. I normally don't use trend lines. I just call it the line, but some other people call trend line, and I haven't. I don't use the trend line very often. But today I just use the trend line because I wanted just to align the rhythm of the market. I use the trend line specifically just to align the rhythm of the market, and there was a failure to rotate around here, and as I draw the trend line, the sellers weren't able to move or touch the trend line. I just put this level around 2663, and this level was to measure my entry. I was a little bit impatient. I was a little bit impatient to get on the market. So I said, okay, what I will do is I will use the pullback of the sellers and make some profit. And once the market pull back, I will take a long position. In fact, I took a very quick scalp on 2663. Like I said, it was my entry. I took a short and I made a little bit of profit. I took another short, and altogether was 22 ticks or $22, which is a positive trade. I'm happy with that. But I took a little bit of profit, but the market then went according to my strategy was above the 2656, which was my line in the sand. The market just went up and broke previous CVA, as you can see over here. I should enter again from 2663, but this time for longs, and I believe it was more profitable for me, but I didn't want to risk it too much because, by the way, I was working while I was doing the trade, so I couldn't pay too much attention. So I took this quick scalp. Moving now to micro mini S&P 500. This scalp today was amazing. I had a little bit of troubles meanwhile, but yes. And once again, my strategy today, as you can see, is only for shorts. The market last night, let me just give you a quick zoom in around here. Yesterday was fundamentals, and the market drove all the way down to a previous CVA, and this CVA was the entry point for me because as you can see, the market last night, the sellers they failed to continue the rotation towards downside. So the buyers they made another attempt and they closed above. It depends. I can say below, but some people can say above. It depends of your perspective. But in my perspective, the market closed below the 59.82, because this is where the market, that was the line in the sand that was, or the value area high that was broken from the sellers. So okay, I noticed the failure to rotate on the value area low around, let me just make sure about the price. Okay, 59.38, right? So the market failed to rotate around that level, and then they attempt to get to break again the 59.82, where our LIS, or line in the sand, is located. That's where they tried to break, but they failed again. So once again, I noticed the market was slightly rotational, but with a lot of impulse from the sellers trying to break over and over again. So that made me believe that the market would go somewhere uh, below the levels that I highlighted, because I highlighted those levels even before the market opening, to be just for you to see that the strategy was being accepted. My analysis was right in a way. So if you don't agree, it's okay, but for me, works very well. And as the market opened, this is the 59.53 was my entry point. I could enter the market right in there and just let the sellers drive the market down and made my profit. But what I've done was, sometimes the market tend to fail the rotation. So I decided to leave the sellers to drive the market a little bit more right to the opening, and I've put a short position, short position. I made a quick short scalp. Okay, took my position again. I saw the buyers trying to get on the market again, but honestly, they failed twice prior the market opening, and also they failed again below the VWAP. So I said, no, okay, so let's take just shorts. That's the confirmation that I needed for the day. I saw the sellers driving the market down again, and I put a short. But for my unfortunate, that's when the trouble start. The buyers, they try to drive the market up again, but because they failed to rotate, they this time didn't get even close, or anywhere close to the view up. I just decided to take another short just to complement my position. And as the market correspond to my wishes, the market was drove all the way down, and I make another two shorts, another two positive positions, spot on. I'm happy with that. I could have taken another shot around here and another shot around here, but I haven't done it. I missed the opportunity. But as everyone knows, the market always gives us more opportunities to get on. I missed this chance over here, and my profit was, honestly, again, my TP was right again at 59.29, and this is where I wanted to enter. I wanted to enter a little bit below the VWAP around here on in a slow trend, and then make my TP around here to a fast trend. Unfortunately, I didn't get on the market. I missed the chance. There was another chance around here, but slowly I start noticing that the rhythm of the market was changing a little bit, because as you can see, the buyers, they start to trying to drive the market up again, all the way close to the VWAP. All right, so I've waited a little bit. I took a shot around here, and I noticed, oh, okay, so I took one shot. I got stopped out, uh, and then because the market went up, I just decided to play safe and don't waste my capital. All right, so I missed the chance once again. I saw the sellers get on the market again, and I put a short. So as I took a short, I could take my position around here. but I was a little bit stubborn. This is where the problem increased, because I went all the way to minus $150. So I literally was with a big drawdown, as you can see. I was about to just close my position and go into drawdown, because all the capital that I invested today, I invested $60 in order to make at least another 60 or 120. If I was able to do a little bit more, better. So I missed. I noticed the market was going up, and I was about to leave my position, but I haven't done it. So as soon as I saw the market pulling back and start getting very rotational or balanced around the view up, I put another short, and I said this is my opportunity to probably just let the market go up to the value area low around here on 59.38, and then take my profit. Even if I leave the market with a little bit of damage, I wouldn't go out of the market with less than $100. So for me, was amazing. Good trade, good risk management. I even put a little bit of risk over here, but hopefully I knew, and I was clever and smart and very careful on how to manage. And this time, honestly, it was a very good trade. At the end of the day, 94 ticks, which is really good, with $170.50. So I think it's a very good trade for the day. It's not as much as yesterday, but still adding up bit by bit, and I'm glad. So if you guys have any inquiries about my trade today, feel free to comment on the section below. If you really like, I will be here every day of the week, of the month. Every day I'll be here trying to do my trades and being very clear for everyone who watch my video. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Hopefully you guys had a good day of trading as well. Bye.